You are going to learn how to use the urgent feedback report. This is a brand new report that you can track if the feedback was applied for bad scores evaluations. First, let's go to Settings and click on Operations Administration. If you don't have access to this page, try to log in with the root user, which is the administrator user. Now click on Edit in one of the operations created. Just click OK. And now scroll down to this space. Here you need to set a bad score to appear on the urgent feedback report. So if I put 5th score here, evaluations with equal or less than 5th will appear on the urgent feedback report. In this example, I'm going to put the 0 score and click on Process. And now, when you go to the Quality and click on Urgent Feedbacks Report, we need to select the filter. We need to filter by we need to select the period, for example this year, the channel, select the form and click in Continue. And now you see that this evaluation was 0. And now you can see that this evaluation has 0 scores, and as a consequence it will appear in the urgent feedbacks report. Thanks for watching this video and see you on the next one. Bye bye.